Alright, moving on from those exhaust fans, those filthy exhaust fans that I have in my house, to a stuffed bearing Mistralaire MCFA48 style 1 or 2, something like that. It's once again a high hour unit, obviously. That explains all the dust on it, as every fan you're gonna see recently. It's just really dirty, because, well, I've already explained why. But, yeah, this thing, it's on its last leg, so it's probably going to get replaced this year, but I'm not sure. The blades are quite nice on them, which is, just doesn't even have a bracket, it's just all one piece of metal, which I do actually like a lot. Although, as I said, it does need a clean, because, yeah, it's nasty. It does get pretty close, that blade. I don't know why one of the blades is even dirtier than the others. That's just always been like that. Yeah, you can see it's just, that's actually worse than I might have thought. It does have Mistralaire written on there. The canopy, top canopy is broken. It doesn't sit, motor mount's loose, and wobbles like crazy. There's more grime under the blade. Really bad, really disgusting. It does try to hit the door, so I have to just be careful. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that'll do. Alright, so we'll start it off on... look, I can't be bothered waiting for it to speed up, so I'll start it off on high. It's not very happy. It takes a long time to speed up from off to high, and that's why I didn't want to start it off from off to high. I mean, off to low, sorry. Capacitor's still good in it, everything's still good in this fan. It still works like a charm, it's just the bearings. Has fixed itself a couple of times though, which is a surprise. Go ahead, drop it down to medium. Doesn't really drop much. So noisy. Good thing nobody sleeps in this room because bearings are horrible. Alright, it's probably medium, it's in 1. We use it on low a lot because it wobbles like too much and it's really noisy. As you can hear, yeah. I'm not going to show spin down because that's going to take up so long, so much of my time to stop. It takes like 5 minutes just to stop. Even with these shot bearings, it still does have a good spin down. Alright, now we're going to turn it off. I have shown spin down before if you're interested. So, if you're interested to watch the spin down, please go check out another video I made a couple of years ago. And yeah, thanks for watching.